American Standard Error Code 221 indicates that your indoor evaporator coil is freezing. This safety mechanism shuts down the system to prevent damage from ice buildup, which can crack the coil or cause refrigerant leaks. We'll break down what this means and why it's crucial to address it promptly. The indoor evaporator coil cools air by absorbing heat through the refrigerant cycle. Liquid refrigerant enters the coil, evaporates by taking heat from the surrounding air, and leaves as vapor. This process creates cold air for your home. When airflow is restricted or refrigerant levels are low, the coil absorbs heat faster than it can dissipate it. The coil temperature drops dangerously low, below freezing point, causing ice to form. This triggers the freeze protection system. Common causes include a dirty air filter that restricts airflow, preventing proper heat exchange. Blocked or closed vents also reduce airflow across the coil. Low refrigerant charge means less fluid to absorb heat, causing rapid cooling. A malfunctioning blower motor fails to circulate air over the coil. In heat pump mode, a faulty reversing valve can disrupt the refrigerant flow, contributing to freezing. Understanding these thermodynamic principles helps explain why proper maintenance prevents coil freezing and maintains system efficiency. Before calling a technician, try these simple solutions. First, check and replace your air filter if it's dirty. A clogged filter restricts airflow, causing the indoor coil to overcool and trigger the freeze protection. Next, ensure all vents are open and unobstructed. Closed vents can block airflow, leading to uneven cooling and coil freezing in the system. Finally, reset the system by turning it off and on again or using the thermostat menu. This can clear temporary errors and restore normal operation. These basic checks can often resolve the issue quickly without professional help. If the error code 221 persists after initial troubleshooting, it indicates deeper underlying problems that require more advanced attention. One common deeper issue is low refrigerant levels in the system. Refrigerant is the fluid that carries heat in your HVAC unit. When levels are low, the coil can freeze more easily. Handling refrigerants safely requires professional certification due to environmental and safety regulations. Faulty blower motors can also trigger this error. The blower motor is responsible for circulating air over the indoor coil. If it's malfunctioning, airflow becomes restricted, leading to uneven cooling and potential freezing of the coil. Another complex issue involves improperly calibrated temperature sensors on the indoor coil. These sensors detect when the coil is getting too cold. If they're not calibrated correctly, they might trigger the freeze protection prematurely or fail to detect actual freezing risks. All these complex issues require expert diagnosis and repair by certified HVAC technicians. They have the tools and knowledge to safely identify and fix problems like refrigerant leaks, motor failures, or sensor calibration issues. Ignoring these deeper problems can lead to much more costly damage. Persistent freezing can crack the coil, cause refrigerant leaks, or even lead to complete system failure, requiring expensive replacements. Newer American Standard systems, such as the Train ComfortLink 2, incorporate advanced technology to prevent freezing issues before they become serious problems. These systems use advanced sensors placed throughout the HVAC unit to continuously monitor critical parameters like coil temperature and airflow. IoT connectivity allows these sensors to communicate data instantly to a central controller, enabling real-time monitoring of the entire system. The system can detect potential freezing conditions early by analyzing temperature trends and environmental factors, preventing error code 221 before it triggers. When issues are detected, the system sends alerts directly to your smartphone through apps like the Train Comfort app. This allows for proactive intervention, such as adjusting settings or scheduling maintenance, to maintain optimal system performance and prevent freezing. Let's examine real-world case studies of error code 221 solutions. In a Chicago suburb, a homeowner with a 2023 American Standard 5-ton unit faced repeated 221 codes during a cold snap. Using the Train Comfort app, they identified a clogged air filter as the root cause. Replacing the filter resolved the issue, leading to a 12% reduction in energy bills and preventing costly coil repairs that could cost $500 to $1,000. In a commercial example from Florida, an office building's rooftop HVAC unit triggered error code 221 due to a faulty sensor in humid conditions. Train's remote diagnostics quickly identified the problem, allowing a firmware update to resolve the issue without requiring an on-site visit. This proactive approach saved $2,500 in potential emergency service calls, as featured in a 2026 HVAC Today article. These case studies highlight the importance of timely action when encountering error code 221. Whether through simple filter replacements or advanced remote diagnostics, addressing the issue promptly can lead to significant cost savings and prevent more serious system failures. HVAC experts recommend proactive maintenance to prevent error code 221 and related issues. Regularly inspecting air filters and ensuring proper airflow can significantly reduce the risk of coil freezing while improving energy efficiency. Checking and cleaning air filters is a simple but crucial step. Dirty filters restrict airflow, leading to coil freezing. Proper airflow throughout your home is essential. Blocked vents or ducts can cause uneven cooling and increase freeze risks. Ignoring coil freezing can lead to ice buildup, which damages components and reduces system efficiency. Statistics reveal the impact of these issues. 18% of American standard owners encounter error 221 at least once per year. Unresolved coil freezing contributes to 15% of HVAC inefficiencies nationwide, costing consumers $5 billion annually in wasted energy. The future of HVAC diagnostics emphasizes predictive maintenance and sustainability. AI-powered systems are being developed to anticipate and prevent coil freezing before it occurs. Climate-adaptive firmware uses weather APIs to dynamically adjust protection thresholds, reducing unnecessary shutdowns and optimizing system performance. The transition to eco-friendly refrigerants, such as R454B, aims to minimize freeze risks while enhancing overall system efficiency and environmental sustainability. These innovations promise a future where manual troubleshooting is minimized, with projections showing a 40% reduction in manual fixes by 2028 through AI-driven predictive maintenance and eco-friendly technologies.